a couple of quick turn mushrooms for you. I'm going to remove the bottom stem like this. This part of the mushroom is beautiful. There you go. Turned mushroom. In French is tourné. You want to see some more, don't you? Like, share, subscribe. Watch the next video. Grilled chicken salad, turned mushroom, balsamic vinaigrette. Oh yeah. Gemelli pasta, turned mushroom, fresh basil, Parmigiano Reggiano. That's good stuff here. Peelers, carvers, zesters, channel knives, carrot curlers, you name it, I got it all right here. So right here, handy little global tournay knife. Yeah, if you want one of these knives, I suggest you visit the sponsor because you can get one for free right now. All right. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.